Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Facebook. So let's begin. So here we are in our Facebook app. So first open your Facebook app, and after that you want to tap here just below the messenger icon. So the three horizontal bars, tap on it. So tap, and then you want to scroll down until you see settings and privacy. And from here you can already see the dark mode option, so tap on this one right here. So tap on it, dark mode, and from here you can toggle it on or off. So toggle on, and as you can see we are now in dark mode. And if you go back right there in the settings, privacy and dark mode right here, and you can just turn it off if you want to, or you can just use your system settings right here. So yeah, you can also use this right here, so tap on it if you want to, and as you can see it's like this one. And that's how simple it is. That is how you turn on or off dark mode in Facebook. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.